Well, guys, it seems that Johnny Depp is being dragged back into court again next month by Gregg, quote-unquote, Rocky Brooks, who filed a lawsuit against him in 2018 in Los Angeles, California. He claims that Johnny punched him on the set. He's claiming, damages including assault and battery, intentional infliction of emotional distress, negligence, hostile work environment, wrongful termination, and retaliation. He's suing Johnny, and it looks like his production company as well. Brad Furman and Good Film Productions were also named as defendants. Now, I've read about this case, and it seems like there are two completely different stories happening here. I'm going to read a little bit from the Law and Crime website, and I'll put the link into the description so you can read it, the whole article for yourself. But Brooks alleged in his complaint that Johnny Depp wanted a permit for filming at the Barclay Hotel in Los Angeles extended. Brooks claims a final extension was granted, but that a final shot that evening outside of the hotel would have to be the last at 10:50 p.m. And Furman interjected, saying, "Why don't you tell that to Johnny Depp?" So Brooks claims that he should never have been told to relay the information to Depp. And after approaching an on-set LAPD officer to assist him in telling Depp about the restriction, he alleged that Depp accosted him and said, and I quote, "Who the fuck are you? You have no right to tell me what to do." Brooks claims that he remained calm and professional and that Depp continued to yell at him and punch him twice in the lower left side of the ribcage, causing pain. Brooks complained alleged Depp yelled, "I will give you $100,000 to punch me in the face right now." He says that Depp's breath reeked of alcohol. There's a few things wrong with this that I can see already. So he got an on-set LAPD officer, to assist him. So Brooks is standing there, Johnny Depp's standing there, and there's a police officer standing there. So you mean to tell me that while this was happening, the police officer just stood there and did nothing? I don't think that would be the case. So, according to this guy, he's claiming that he just went to relay some information. He's the messenger. And Johnny Depp just, out of nowhere, assaulted him. It doesn't make any sense. And with a police officer standing right there, too, it doesn't make sense to me. Brad Furman told ZE Leakers TV in a YouTube interview last year that the assault claim was nonsense. He says, "My experience with Johnny is that he's an absolute gem. He's a wonderful, wonderful human being, and he never punched anyone on set or anything like that." And he says it's a bunch of nonsense. Now, according to The Hollywood Reporter, Emma Danoff, she has filed a sworn declaration on behalf of Johnny Depp, and she said that it was Mr. Brooks who became verbally abusive that night towards a homeless African-American woman, and that Depp stepped in to defend her. Now, this sounds more like what probably happened. Danoff reportedly wrote in her declaration that Depp did not punch Brooks, and that she had 40 time-stamped photos to prove Brooks lied about the encounter.
Spoke with a security officer with Gilmore and Associates, who explained to the monitor that he felt threatened by the location manager. He showed the monitor a video of Rocky, the location manager, flipping him off and aggressively getting in his face. The monitor spoke to Rocky about the altercation and asked him to take a breather. Rocky seemed to back down. There was a lot of tension on the set at this time while the production tried to finish the scene. A lot of moving parts and personality conflicts. Do you remember any of this occurring specifically?
No, that's I was just reading it, and what was pretty interesting is with regard to 11 at 11 p.m. Where it says of the where I stepped in to remind Mr. Brooks that that was not proper set etiquette, and that we don't have time for this. And so that's at 11. At 10:45, it shows that he's already obviously aggressive, because he's put somebody else aggressively getting in his face. And then the guy spoke to him and said to take a breather. I don't think he took a breather.
This is describing the woman that you were describing earlier, correct? This is a completely different individual as far as the definition.
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
Yeah, not the question.
No.
We spoke about Roxy, we're going to call him Roxy, that's Mr. Roxy, is aggressive towards a woman that we believe at this point is using that combination that we have. But we're now looking at a 10:45 that involves Roxy. And as far as you know, did this 10:45 incident involve the woman?
That I don't know about. That was 10:45 seems like it happened offset. Just from the way I read it, sounds like a separate incident.
Had anyone brought this to your attention?
No, just looking at it. When I sat back down, started reading at 11 p.m. And when I looked up at 10:45.
Where Johnny Depp said that he stepped in to remind Brooks that his behavior was not proper set etiquette. And apparently, Johnny's lawyers petitioned for cameras to be in the courtroom, but that was denied. So the trial is scheduled to begin July the 25th. I'm going to include the link to this because they include the complaint, where the actual filed complaint to the courthouse in it, those documents, and you can go and read those for yourself. But our Johnny is being dragged back into court for this nonsense. To me, it sounds like this guy, I don't think this is going to be a very long trial, because it really, this woman has these stamped photos, this proof, and it sounds like there's two completely different stories here. And to me, it sounds like this guy is just looking to cash in, because it does not make any sense. So, yeah, I think this is just a matter of someone trying to get rich off of Johnny Depp. And it doesn't look like we'll be able to see this one on Law and Crime Network, but I have no doubt that they will keep us informed, and I will do my best to keep you informed. So it says it starts next month. I need to put it on my calendar so I know to keep track of it. I'm looking for the date of when it's supposed to start again. July the 25th. Okay. You know, if I was this guy, after seeing what Camille Vasquez and Ben Chu did in this last trial, I would have dropped this lawsuit. He's going to look like an idiot. He's going to look like another gold digger. But whatever. People are stupid.